guys, welcome back to another video, and today I wanted to do a review on what is the best catch can for a Veloster turbo. Now first we need to pop the hood. And before we get into it, remember to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and that exhaust video that you saw at the beginning if you want to exhaust review. Now, what is the best catch can for a Veloster turbo? If you know anything about Veloster turbos, or if you don't know anything at all, you would know, or you should know, that catch cans are essential for these motors, the 1.6 turbocharged motors. This is because they're direct injection, and because they're direct injection, it means that you can get blow-by, and that can cause carbon buildup on your cylinders. Correct me if I'm wrong on that. But basically what the catch can does is it allows oil to be basically caught in a can, and it basically goes through a baffling process, and you have another line to relieve the pressure on it. And basically if you have a Veloster turbo, you seriously should consider getting a catch can. Now, what is the best catch can? Well, there's no simple answer. The best catch can is really any catch can. That's because all catch cans do the same job as long as they're good quality. You can get a $25 one from eBay, you can get a $50 one from Amazon, you can get this $100 Mishimoto one. They all do the same job. Even the $200 ADDW ones, they all do the same job. Now you may ask, if there is such a big price range but they all do the same thing, what is the difference and which one should I get? Well, if you want to have a simple plug and play install, I would recommend the ADDW1 kit. That is because it comes with custom pre-cut lines that fit the exact length, and custom mounting points to mount perfectly on your thing without having to do any custom modifications. Now the catch can that I have is this Mishimoto baffled 2-port design. It was about $100, and I'll link it down in the description below if anyone wants to check it out. Now the difference here is that I had to make a custom L bracket that I just got from Lowe's and mounted it straight into this fuse that is tapped into the chassis here. Now let's talk about how to install a catch can. Basically, there is a line, it's right down here, it's this thing right here that normally connects from here right into here. Now instead, you take basically about a 3-foot hose and you either clamp it, or I have clamps on mine, and then you run it into the inlet on your catch can. Now normally you can just put it directly on it and then just clamp it down, but I have these fittings that are meant for a steel braided lines, but I just multi-purpose them and put them on here. And then your outlet comes from the outlet of your can, and then same length hose, and it goes into the inlet of what was that one. And basically what it does is the old hose that used to collect straight out from the engine into the PCV side now has a line that goes into this catch can and collects oil. Now you may think, how much oil do these things actually collect? Well, let's open it up and find out. Alright, now that we have it off, here is the actual can, and here's how much oil I have in mine. I've had mine installed for about 2 to 3 months now, and this is how much it's caught. Now obviously when it's during the winter, it's going to catch more oil than during the summer, so that is why I don't have that much oil in it. Alright, if you made it to the end of the video, remember to drop a like, subscribe, and a comment on a next video suggestion. Alright, peace.